guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have an Hermes unboxing. So these are some of the items that I've purchased from Hermes, and I just got it, like literally got it like few hours ago. And yeah, I am so excited to show you what I've got. And let me start with this smaller box in here. So really nice ribbon. Okay, let me show you what I got. This lovely orange boxes. So the first item is, wow, I'm so excited for this. So wow, always their packaging has always been so nice. Okay, so here's the first item, and it is a notebook cover. So this is a Ulysses PM notebook cover. So this is just a cover. So let me open this one and take this paper right here out. So we will be able to see this beautiful cover. So this is in the size PM or small or petite. And this is in color gold. So yeah, with Hermes, they usually label this color. This is like more like a dark brown, but usually with Hermes, they called this one gold. That's the color. And also, this one here, this is the Clou de Sel snap closure. Right there. And this one is plated with palladium. Very lovely. And on the other side of it, right here, where this is actually where you put the refill, right here. And this one also has, this one is also plated palladium. Very lovely. I mean, I don't know, but this one is so pretty, the color gold. But I wish that the hardware is also like gold as well. Not brown, but I mean what I meant is the gold hardware, like the yellow gold. That's what I meant. So but regardless, it is beautiful. It has a really nice contrast though. So this one is made up of a Togo calf skin leather. So you guys can see right here the grain, this really round. And let me just open it this way. Yeah, this really round and irregular grain. As you guys can see the grain right here, this one is really fine and small, teeny tiny grain. And on this side started to, yeah, it's actually not even. It's irregular though. So that's very nice. And as you guys could see, right there, the wrinkling of the leather, it's actually very visible and very pronounced. You guys can see right there. It's so beautiful. Look at that. That is actually the natural characteristics of a Togo leather. Very soft and very supple as well. Wow, this one is so gorgeous. And as you guys can see right here, it says made in France. Lovely. And this is the code right there. So yeah, it's just open like this and close it like this. So this is actually my third Ulysses notebook cover from Hermes. And at first, I didn't really like it so much because it's I don't know, for some reason it's just very limited for its use. But later on I started loving it, not because of the leather. The leather is excellent, it's amazing, it's beautiful. And this one is actually one I have it for several years and it's holding up pretty well. It's still brand new, especially with the Togo leather though. And I am loving it, and I find so much use on this beautiful notebook cover. So in fact I will show you my older ones. So this is my older notebook, and this one, guys, yeah, as you guys can see, I have been using this almost every single day. And Look at it's still great. It still looks like it's brand new. Very, very beautiful. This one is also made up of Togo leather as well. Just love those pebbling right there. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Excellent. So you guys can see in the inside. I'm just going to show you a little bit. So I actually put this is a credit card holders. So I just put some of my credit cards right here to make use of this notebook. I just really find this very, very useful. I have several cards right here in the inside. So I just covered my information right there. Yeah, this is just to show you how I use this. I just really find it fascinating. And then I just put, this is from the Hermes. So this is from their shopping bag. I cut it out and just put it here. And then, yeah, this is all it started. And I think we are in the month of August now. So yeah, this is how I use this. And I'll write like anything, everything about this notebook. This refill that I have right now, this one is not lined and I love it. It's perfect for calligraphy, sketching, and it could be anything for bullet journaling. I just find a lot of uses in these. There's still a lot more pages left. And yeah, this is just the shopping bag, just like this. I cut it out to look more nicer, more beautiful. And yeah, it's perfect. You could use this every single day. And yeah, with your credit cards in it, with your driver's license, it could be anything. You could just easily put it right there. Okay. So yeah, this one is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. This one is beautiful. I love it so much. Look at that. Oh my goodness. The veins and everything is so lovely. Okay, moving on to the next item. Well, okay, this is actually a soap. This is the Eau de Orange Vert. This one is actually a gift for a friend. And guys, I know that I did a video last year, if I'm not mistaken. And the packaging for an Hermes last year, it's beautiful. But this year so far, they just wrap it like this. They don't give you any boxes or anything anymore. So yeah, so I will be gifting this as well as with this one. This one only came in with the ribbon, just like this. There's no box or anything when they shipped this out to me. Last year, I know I did a video. I was so happy. I was so excited because when I gifted this to my family and friends, they love it so much. They love the box more than the items inside because it was very well presented, very well wrapped. So, but this year so far, the packaging has changed. And this is how it looks. So these two right here is a gift for my lovely friend. And this is the receipt and as well as the card as well. So anyway, let's move on to the next item. And I am so excited for it. Oh, this is just the receipt, guys. I don't even know why I put this one here because they ship it just like this. So I just leave it as it is. This is the receipt. It's so lovely. Oh my gosh. I'm totally blown away with how they presented their stuff. Very, very nice. Let me open this so that we will be able to see the next item. The next item is, okay, very nice packaging as usual. And oh my gosh, I am totally obsessed with this color. I got another Ulysses notebook cover, and this time around it is in a size MM or a medium size notebook cover. It's a little bit larger. So this is the size MM and this is the size PM, as you guys can see the comparison right there. And let me just take the other one so you will be able to see the difference. This is just like that. So this is the size mm. Okay, this one once again. Okay, let me just take this stuffing right here out. Oh my gosh, very supple. So this one is actually also made up of a Togo calfskin leather. Once again, this one has the cloudicelle snap closure. It's just like similar features of the size PM. The palladium plated hardware in here, beautiful. And also with this one did not, when you purchase this the refill is actually not included. So when you purchase this, you have to look, you have to buy the refill. So it is not included for the price. So for this one, this is priced as $345 before tax, color gold. And right here, see inside, this one is also made in France. Oh my goodness, very lovely. Oh wow, very supple, very lovely. I love it. So you guys can see right there, the grain is absolutely gorgeous. This part has a smaller grain, and as it goes towards the other side, it started to get a little bit larger. The grain here is a little bit larger compared to this side right here. So yeah, so you guys can see right there. So you guys could see the difference of the grain, the irregular round grain. Wow, it's so beautiful. Very nice. Oh my goodness. So this is yeah, this turns out to become my favorite ever. So yeah, I think it would be smart if you are planning to get your future Hermes bag. I think it would be smart for you to just try, if you wanted to try on their leather. So yeah, this this one came in with Togo leather, and I think, look at that, it's so lovely, it's so beautiful. They also have some small leather goods in Epsom leather, which is the most durable. They have a Swift leather, Clemens leather, Miser goat skin, and yeah, if you wanted to get hands on and also wanted to feel those type of leather from Hermes, yeah, I think it would be better for you to just try their small leather goods just to see and feel about it. But yeah, Togo is my favorite, and Epsom as well. Gosh, this is so lovely. So anyway, let's move on to the next item. So let me just put this one back right here. So the next item is this one. So you guys can see right here, this one is actually wrapped in a plastic. So okay, let me just reveal this next item. So this item, yeah, this is the only one that were wrapped with this clear packaging in here. So yeah, okay. Oh wow, I just love this box. This box is entirely different. Oh, this one is like, wow, look at the box right there. It's not detachable on each end. Wow, very nice. Love it. So as you guys could see, this is the refill. So this is for my note cover. And oh wow, okay, I was a little bit nervous because I actually ordered a plain Ulysse refill, because I always it's perfect for sketching. It's actually perfect for, it could be anything though. So this is just plain right here. Plus also, if you wanted to write something, they gave you this board right here where you could actually, yeah, write it like that. So it's not completely see-through, but you could actually see it. So yeah, it's good that they actually included this. Well, they included this for if you're purchasing the plain. The lined, I know that lined is a little bit more expensive, but the plain, it actually allows you to do anything with it. Bullet journaling, sketching, it could be anything, guys. Just love it. So this is for the size MM, and then let me just show you how to put this. And all you have to do is snap this two together in here like that. So let me do the other side as well, and then that's it. That's it. It's perfect. Oh my goodness, just like that. It actually gave the this cover a structure, and wow, it is so beautiful. Wow, the leather, I can't get over how beautiful this leather is. So once again, this is $345 just for the cover itself. And then this one right here, the size PM, this one retails for $255. I know, as far as I remember, I could always remember the prices years ago. This one is $250 US. They have a $5 increase, which is better, you know. It's $5 is actually nothing for an increase for a luxury item. So yeah, that's actually pretty good. But this one, I did not get a refill in this because I could always transfer this one that I have in here. I could always transfer it on the other side right here, just like this. So if I wanted to change the cover like that, oh my goodness. Oh yeah. So yeah, it is gorgeous. It is perfect. So yeah, this is actually one of the most affordable agenda notebook cover ever in a luxury fashion houses, really. So I would definitely gonna recommend this. I will highly recommend this, and I will do a separate video on how I use this, how I change this refill right here, and how I designed some of my refills. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend. Bye.